were just saying, impatience is a big issue. Wanting to trade is a big issue. But if we live by that saying, trade less, trade with less setups and trade them bigger, first thing your eyes should be going to is the TDI. And you've probably seen that on some of my streams recently. That's when I'm going through the watch list, that's what we're looking at, is where is the market sentiment line. It sounds like it's so simple. You're like, why are you telling me this, Austin? I'm telling you because somebody tried to buy this as a 2 candle formation, I'm sure. TDI is in a good position.